So the stock market is down a lot today. My account is down just around 3%. Why? Who cares? Trump said something, an analyst said something, the news, doesn't matter. You look back a month, a year, 5 years, a decade ago, there was a period or a day where the stock market dropped a lot. Can you remember why it dropped on that particular day? No, because 5, 10 years later, who cares? All you remember is you took advantage and you stepped in and added a little bit to your high quality investments. I noticed something while looking at my very own portfolio today. Netflix down, Nvidia down, Apple down. All my big tech stocks getting hammered, but you know what was up today? Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, Altria, dividend stuff. Now I know you know by now, I don't buy my whole position. Whenever the stock market drops a little bit, I don't go, oh my God, I gotta get every single share that I ever wanted. I just go in and maybe I buy 5 more shares, maybe I buy 10 more shares, maybe I buy 50 depending on the price of the stock. At the end of the day, the whole thing about investing is you don't try to time things. Maybe you keep a little money on the sidelines in case you think a recession is coming, but otherwise just a little bit at a time. Relax. It's not a reason to freak out. Just make sure you smash that follow because I gotta go eat this strawberry.